Hi guys, Marianne here, currently in Tokyo, Japan. I'm on vacation and for the next 2 days I'm staying at the Hilton Tokyo Bay, which is right next door to Disneyland because I'm going to go to Disneyland today and I'm going to DisneySea Park tomorrow. Really looking forward to checking both of those out. And in the meantime, surprise, surprise, here's a room tour of the Hilton Tokyo Bay. Okay, staying in room 1127 on the 11th floor. When you first walk in, it's super bright. I'll show you the view soon. So to your left here, there is the toilet, wash basin, and bathroom. And there we go. And over here, wardrobe space. And let's go on through. 2 single beds, nice little couch to sit on, 2 beds. Over here we've got telephone, guest services, menus and things like that. It's in English and Japanese. Television. It's quite a large room. Okay, back up to the foyer for the mini bar, which comes with tea and coffee making facilities. There's an ice bucket and some glasses. And down here is the fridge. The drinks, I believe, are complimentary. So there is, what's that? Oh, lemonade, Coca-Cola, Fanta, and grape Fanta. I've never tried grape Fanta. And a couple of bottles of water. Okay, over here we have the cupboard with plenty of coat hangers, a safe and some drawers, and spare doona. See what's on the other side. And in Japan, they wear slippers around the house. So, of course, I have mine on. In the foyer, we have the foyer lights, bathroom lights, and a night light. Go in and have a look in the bathroom. And what have we got by way of toiletries? Peter Thomas Roth. Okay, some body lotion, a shower cap, there's a shaver, toothbrushes, also toothbrushes for kids, I'm guessing, deluxe comb, and I'm not sure if that's a sponge or a face wash. I guess because it's affiliated with Disneyland, they are catering for children. Got some face cloths up there and tissues as well. Okay, in here is the famous Toto bathroom toilet. And check out this really cool bathroom. The bathtub seems narrow, but it'll be great. And I love how there's a TV. I've never seen something like that before, so you can sit in the bath and watch TV. And then there's some shampoo and conditioner and body cleanser. Over here is the shower. There we go. The view is of Tokyo Bay. Beautiful day. There's a window blind controller. Let's see what happens. Close. Okay, so that's my room tour of the Hilton Tokyo Bay Hotel. It was short and sweet, but I've got to go. I have got to get to Tokyo Disneyland. I got to see Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Pluto. I got all those rides to go on. So much to do. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Sayonara.